this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we are on a move-in, move-out cleaning. It is springtime. We are on the 19th here, and spring's right around the corner. We're going to go ahead and start getting the cleaning. Now, in our last video, you've probably seen, we use the, in our properties here, our turnovers, we're using this little orbiter, brand new, the XL Pro, all right? Pro for the professionals, all right? This is a great tool, guys, to use, okay? Great tool, works very well. It's awesome, all right? The reason why we're going to use this, we're going to show you how clean these carpets are going to get. They're not that bad. We got dirty areas here, over there. She's spraying. Our house cleaners, a lot of them are female. We hire males too, but a lot of them are mostly female. And they go up and down stairs all day at our properties, okay? They have three stories, 2-story buildings and all right? So that's really hard for them to carry a 175 buffer. And you're like, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, where's your hoses? Where's everything at? Blah, 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 blah. Well, guess what? We don't use any hoses or any of that hot heat, steam. Reason why, when you're using that hot heat and steam, that's going ahead and heating up your carpet, okay? Heating up the plastic, the texture, the polyester underneath, because most carpets are all synthetic. There's very little carpets that are very wool, and those are the high-end houses. But long story short, you ever see those ripples in there? Looks like you're riding on a dirt bike, boom, boom, boom. Well, that's from all the steam hitting that carpet, heating it up, stretching the plastic underneath. Then you gotta get your carpet stretched. So that's costing you more money. So we're saving you money by doing it right, doing it correctly, drying in 1 hour. And yeah, we can start right there, thanks. Drying in 1 hour and smelling good, smelling fresh, clean and sanitizing, okay? Now, this pad right here is a blue pad. It provides agitation and also extracts. Look at those little things on there. I was in the house before, all right? And that's where all the stuff's going into. Hey, Shay, you can get started here on this one if you want. And then, so she's about to get started. You can see clearly, I'm gonna show you on how it looks. You see it spinning right there? That's a 175 buffer right there for you. 175, she's spinning, it's spinning. Let me hit this dirty area over here, because she just sprayed this. Let me hit this real quick, give you an idea. So you're like, oh, it's not clean and it won't clean. Here at Be Clean, there's no gimmicks, no jokes or anything like that. Look at that looks area right there, all nice and clean for you. All right, no jokes, no hidden games. I'm using my iPhone. I'm not using a camera crew or any film. I don't even have a head unit on to go ahead and talk and while it's on my head. None of that stuff, all right? Not saying we can't get it. We don't need it. That's just extra stuff. So if it's not broken, don't fix it. Our videos will come out great. So she's getting ready to start here. Going to finish this up. We'll be here for roughly about an hour since it's a smaller machine. Bigger machine will normally take about 30 minutes. It's going to dry in 1 hour. It's going to look good. Carpets are wet. If it's not dry, if it's not wet, it ain't working. You see that? Got a little gloss in there on my beautiful skin. All right. Now, let me tell you about, let's jump in some history real quick here. All right, so here we go. Hydra Master. All right, you guys know that name. Mike Palmer. I'm not shooting him down or anything. These are some good guys here. 1969. He was a carpet cleaner, all right? Came home, put a truck mount together. All right. Okay. He was a jet engine mechanic. All right, this guy was cool. 1969, he made that bad boy, all right? 1969, bro. We're in 2024. What's that mean? Well, that means like my generation, we had the Nokia phones playing Snake. Then we had the Razors. Then we had iPhones with no buttons at all. Okay, just like technology advances, and we got AIs everywhere. Now, the cleaning industry advances too. Okay, this stuff right here, I got my Ryobi sprayer and all that. All right, Ryobi sprayer. She's filled with solution. Look, we only got 1 gallon. That was from yesterday. It was full. So we're using only about a gallon, if that, on your carpet, which is not deeping. It's not setting in. It's not going to wick. Wicking means all the stuff that's underneath there comes to the top and you got stains come back. Stains don't come back with us, all right? So you see the process. Look, we got a little pet stain there. All right, you see the process. See what we're doing. And let me check her out. Look at that. Adios míos. It was beautiful. Now you see a little discoloration right there. That's just the way the carpet's laying. That's called carpet distortion, okay? Or the way the carpet's laying. See, I just brushed it there. Look at that. Looks different, right? See? It's the way the carpet's laying. Carpet distortion. All right, look that one up. Man, it's just with ease. You can do this with one hand right now, all right? Doing great. Pad spinning, okay? That's how you know it's cleaning. That's how you know it's doing its job. All right, so now for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to speed this up here. And we're going to go ahead and spray ahead for her. And we're going to get this thing done. Stay tuned. All right, so we got a stain here. She's going to go ahead and hit it. It's already been wet. We let our solution dwell. Can you hit this for the video, please, real quick? Just to show everybody that all of our stains come up and they don't come back. Boom. Boom. Boom, 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 man. Crazy. Yeah, all right, so we actually just took all this stuff out here. And as you can see, these carpets look great. That's just like carpet distortion there. All right. Check that out. All those stains are over there, are all gone. Woo. All right. There's a stain here that was gone. We showed you that in the video. And it's looking good. All right. 1 hour to dry. Your area would be Clean Professionals. You're in the central Pennsylvania, Harrisburg, Lancaster, York, Camp Hill, Mechanicsburg. We're in Mechanicsburg today. Harrisburg, we got you. I'm your guy. You like what you see? Go ahead and give us a call. If you like anything else you want to see, give us don't give us a call, but write it in the comments. Shoot us an email. We also do have our carpet cleaning solution. What you can see is good on all types of carpets, including viscose and natural fiber wool. Okay, so all of our cleaning products work on that particular thing. That's why I use it, because I don't want any of my technicians to make mistakes. Although you see me out doing this, I got other people out here working as well. And we're gonna go ahead and try to get you clean efficiently and accurately. Like I just said, if you like what you see, please like and also subscribe. Subscribing really helps us out. You don't have to hit the notification. Don't worry about that. Just subscribe. All right. Talk to you later. Stay tuned. I'd like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace. All right. We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us. We don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings. Once we go ahead and clean, some people don't clean because maybe they have mental health issues or they're not getting stuff done. We want to make sure we give you that fresh start. But one thing I do want to let you know here is that while we're also cleaning, I didn't show this part, okay? We come into your home. We let you know when we're on our way, okay? This notification has been sent. We let you know when it's finished or when we started and when it's all done. We can send you that email or this invoice.